In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best braiding hair racks. Whether you're a professional or a beginner, these racks are designed to enhance efficiency and help you create a variety of stunning hairstyles with ease. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best braiding hair racks. Number 5. Laflare Hair Braiding Rack. This braiding hair rack has a capacity for 60 spools. It is constructed with high-quality PP in a natural wood color, and it is foldable. The Laflare hair braiding rack is versatile and can be used in various ways. It can be used standing on a table, attached to a salon trolley cart with cable ties, or hung on the wall using the self-adhesive hook. This braiding hair rack will save you time during the hair braiding process. By pre-sorting your hair pieces in advance, you eliminate the need to pause and restock during installations. This time-saving element not only makes your braiding time more manageable, but also allows you to cater to more customers in a shorter time, leaving them satisfied and coming back for more. So if you're looking for a convenient way to organize your braiding hair, the Laflare hair braiding rack is a great option to consider. The pros are: it is perfect for beginners. It saves time. It's versatile and foldable. The cons are: it has a limited spool capacity. Number 4. Yumkfoi Steel Braiding Hair Rack. With an impressive 140 spool pegs, the Yumkfoi Steel Braiding Hair Rack can hold multiple hair extensions simultaneously. This is a blessing for hairstylists working on complex braiding styles. Additionally, the thoughtful addition of a shelf provides extra space for storing braiding supplies and tools, keeping everything you need within arm's reach. Yumkfoi Hair Rack is crafted from thickened and premium carbon steel, setting it apart from other racks made of plastic, metal, or wood. This not only makes it more durable, but also ensures its longevity. The inclusion of 4 universal wheels, with 2 featuring brakes, allows for easy mobility and stability when needed. The flat structure of the rack minimizes the space it occupies, making it a practical choice for those with limited workspace. Moving it around to accommodate various styling needs has never been more effortless. The pros are: it is made of premium carbon steel. It has an adjustable height. It features a 360-degree rotating top. It is easy to move and has a large capacity. However, the cons are: it is expensive. Number 3. DUHARS Braiding Hair Rack. This innovative hair braiding stand not only provides a clutter-free solution, but also adds a touch of professionalism to your workspace. Whether you're working with tinsel hair extensions, ombre braiding hair, or human hair braiding, the DUHARS rack has got you covered. It's an absolute must-have for those looking to enhance their efficiency in the salon. This standing braiding hair rack comes with 2 combs and 4 hair holders for extensions. What sets this hair rack apart is its thoughtful 2-in-1 functionality. Not only does it feature a hairstylist tray for keeping your hair tools and accessories within easy reach, but it also boasts a thread holder rack for efficient braiding. The tray adds an extra layer of convenience, making sure everything you need for braiding is neatly organized. The height-adjustable tripod of this hair braiding rack ensures an ergonomic posture, even during extended styling sessions. The DUHARS braiding hair rack is perfect for braiders looking to streamline their workspace and provide an exceptional experience for their clients. The pros are: it is versatile. It features premium metal construction. It offers a 2-in-1 functionality. It has an adjustable height. The cons are: some users might find the initial setup slightly time-consuming. Number 2. Yumkfoi Adjustable Braiding Hair Rack. With an impressive 280 pegs, the Yumkfoi braiding hair rack offers ample storage space to keep all your braiding essentials in order. No more searching for that specific strand of hair or dealing with a cluttered workspace during larger projects. This braiding equipment is a game changer, providing an organized and easily accessible space for your braiding needs. What sets the Yumkfoi braiding hair rack apart is its commitment to being both functional and stylish. Made with high-quality materials and boasting original designs with patent protection, this product is a testament to Yumkfoi's dedication to providing unique and effective solutions for hair braiders. Yumkfoi Adjustable Braiding Hair Rack is suitable for various hair types, including weave hair, natural hair, and long braiding hair. The unique design prevents tangling, ensuring that your braiding process remains efficient and enjoyable, ultimately allowing you to serve more customers in less time. Whether you're a professional stylist or a DIY enthusiast, make the Yumkfoi braiding hair rack your go-to tool for achieving flawless braids every time. The pros are, it has a unique and stylish design. It is easy to assemble. Also, it is durable. It has a large capacity. It is adjustable. The cons are none. Number 1, OFUSUY Height Adjustable Braiding Hair Rack. If you're looking for an efficient and stylish way to organize and prepare hair extensions for braiding, the OFUSUY Height Adjustable Braiding Hair Rack is worth considering. With the ability to hold up to 144 extensions, this double-sided rack can help you save time and hassle during the braiding process. Additionally, the modern design of this hair rack is both smart and elegant, making it a great addition to any salon. The foldable base and lightweight stand will make it easy to move around and store, which will be great for someone with limited space. Adjusting the height will also be a breeze. To sweeten the deal, the OFUSUY hair rack comes with 3 combs, 6 hairpins, and 4 hair tailing tools. These accessories elevate your braiding game, making it a versatile tool for both professional braiders and those who love experimenting at home. The pros are, it has a modern and sleek design. It is a double-sided rack. It is made of metal and has an adjustable height. The cons are, it may not accommodate extra long hair. Fine guide. What to look for when buying a braiding hair rack. 1. Size and capacity. The size of the braiding hair rack is an essential factor to consider. You need to ensure that the rack has enough space to store all your braiding hair without overcrowding or tangling. Look for racks that can accommodate different sizes of braiding hair, including long and short hair. Also, consider the number of braids you want to store and choose a rack with enough capacity to accommodate them. 2. Material. The material used to make the braiding hair rack is also an important consideration. Look for racks made from high-quality materials that are durable and can withstand the weight of the braids without breaking or bending. Some of the best materials for braiding hair racks include metal, plastic, and wood. 3. Design and features. The design and features of the braiding hair rack can affect its functionality and ease of use. Look for racks with features like adjustable heights, detachable sections, and easy assembly. Also, consider the design of the rack and how it will fit into your workspace. Some racks come with additional features like hooks, shelves, and drawers that can be useful for storing hair accessories and tools. 4. Price. The price of the braiding hair rack should also be considered. Look for a rack that fits your budget while still meeting your needs. Keep in mind that the most expensive option may not always be the best choice. Look for a rack that offers the best value for your money. With the right braiding hair rack, you can achieve the perfect braided hairstyle without the hassle. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comment section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.